Has a feature in which you can create timetables for all the classrooms in the institution and for all the days of the week. To do so, click on the timetable feature and then select the classroom you want to create a timetable for. Now select the day and click on the add sign at the bottom right corner. Fill in the subject, description if any, and select the timing. Then click on create item. It will create a slot for the particular subject. Now, if you want to add break or recess, then click on the add sign at the bottom right corner and select the box beside use this slot as break or recess. Then fill the start time and the end time. Then click on create item. It will create a break in the day. If you want to edit or delete a particular slot, click on the three dots which you see beside the timing and select edit the timing or the subject. Click on edit item. If you want to delete, then click on the three dots and select the delete option and then proceed with it. This will delete the slot in the timetable. Thank you.